because I have such great luck, it ends up being this little T-fitting I got here, that's a factory GM part, is metric, bubble flared, and no one has got this size fitting for a 1/4 inch line. No one. This, no problem. This is just 3/16 line on the ends. This one goes out to the driver's side, this one goes to the passenger, and this comes from the master. So what do? You ghetto rig the shit out of it. Yeah, like $40 in fittings and parts, and in the end, what do you got? You got yourself one ghetto looking setup. So this is going to go up here, and then this is going to go to my master. This is off of a rear axle for like an 86 Chev K10. So yeah, some savagery going on here. And the savagery shall get worse. I kept breaking ends and leaks and everything else, so the rear driver's side is no longer functioning, but I'll have a rear functioning passenger side. So got her capped off. Focus. Come on. You can do it. Nope, no focusing. Whatever, there's a cap there. So yeah, that is the savagery of the rear brakes. I'll worry about it more when I pull the motor out and actually have access to the brake line that actually runs behind everything, that runs all the way and loops down. So much easier when the motor's out. So we'll worry about it then.